Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Roux Bechamel sauce. First, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once the butter is fully melted and bubbling gently, it's time to add the flour. This initial step is crucial for creating the base of our creamy sauce. Ensure your ingredients are measured precisely for a perfect consistency. Now add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to the melted butter. Whisk constantly for 1 to 2 minutes. This creates the roux, which is the thickening agent for our bechamel. You want a pale, blonde roux, not a dark one, to maintain the sauce's light color and delicate flavor. Keep whisking to prevent lumps and ensure even cooking. Next, slowly pour in 2 cups of cold milk, whisking vigorously to prevent any lumps from forming. Adding cold milk to a hot roux helps create a smooth sauce. Continue to whisk as the sauce heats up and begins to thicken. Once it reaches your desired consistency, usually after simmering for a few minutes, remove it from the heat. Finally, season your bechamel sauce with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of white pepper, and a tiny dash of nutmeg. Stir well and taste, adjusting the seasonings to your preference. This versatile sauce is now ready to be used in lasagna, gratins, or as a base for other sauces. For more great deals, and to check out those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.